What's going on there, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Sick ETV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Google Pixel 4 live wallpaper on your device. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro, and it's pretty easy to download. You just got to go to a link that I'm going to post down below and set it up as your live wallpaper. So let's go ahead and get through some of the wallpapers that are on here. Now you're going to want to, first of all, go into your Play Store and download Google Wallpapers. Pretty simple, pretty easy to find. You just search Google Wallpapers and then you are able to view all of your live wallpapers right here. And if you click on each one, you do have the option to customize each one, so you can move stuff around. You can change the color effect on some of these, which is really cool, and you can set them as your wallpaper. As you can see right there, this one is the compass one. It will move whenever you move the phone. As you can see, it has a little bit of an effect there. So really nice wallpapers. Let's go ahead and check out the other ones really quick. So you're going to scroll on down to live wallpapers, and you do also have other wallpapers as well that you could customize, and you could do it yourself to where you could draw lines on here yourself, which is really cool. If you want to do some lines, you could do so. Whatever design you want, you could do whatever you want on these live wallpapers. Of course, if you go back, you can set that as your wallpaper. As you can see right there, my little doodle has become a wallpaper. So let's go ahead and check out all the other ones really quick. So you do get a whole bunch of different options of the Google Pixel 4 live wallpaper, the mountain wallpaper as well. I really like these. They were really nice on the Google Pixel 3, and now they have different ones for the Google Pixel 4. And this one is sights from the sun. It'll show the planets in the solar system in real live time apparently, and you can set that as wallpaper. You could also customize it, speed, real time. You could also change it up a bit to where it's the fastest, and it'll show everything sort of rotating and going around in faster speed. You could switch currently from observing Mars. You could switch this Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, Mercury, and these are all really nice that you could change to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do Saturn, and you could change it as far as the speed goes. So let's go ahead and keep it on fastest, and we'll set that as well. Now you can set some of these to your either lock screen or your home screen, or both. You got the Terra Bay, Saudi Arabia, really nice looking wallpapers. And then you also have this one, which is sort of a canyon one. So really nice wallpapers. You have a whole bunch to choose from, light, dark. They should change depending on if you have dark mode on your phone or not. Like if I try to set this one, it's going to show up as dark mode on here. So let's go ahead and go to that link that I'm going to post down below. That way you guys can check this out. So here's the link. You're just going to want to scroll on down until you see the download APK. There's a more recent version available. So this one is going to be, where is it at? 7.0 plus, wallpapers 1910. So if you scroll on down, you will be able to see a newer version, which would be right here. You could download that one as well, but you're pretty much just going to want to download the APK. It's going to go ahead and start downloading for you. It's asking me if I want to download again. Let's go ahead and just download again. See, I've already downloaded it. So once you're done downloading, then when it's done, you're going to go ahead and hit install, and that is it. Now, like I said beforehand, you're going to want to go into your Google Play Store and search for Google Wallpaper. Let's go ahead and redo that again. Typing with my left hand. Google Wallpaper. And you're going to want to download that. And this is so you could set it as your live wallpaper on your home screen or on your lock screen as well. So really nice wallpapers. As you can see right here, you got the Saturn one. It's moving very slowly. So really nice. Just wanted to share this with you guys. That way you could download the Google Pixel 4 live wallpapers on your device. Now you can also, let's see if I can go back to the original site. I don't have the original site on here. They do have the stills wallpaper on there as well. I'll find that and I'll post that in link description. Down in the description below. That way you guys could check it out if you want to download the stills for the Google Pixel 4 and install them on your device. So with that being said, guys, thank you guys for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, thumbs down if you didn't, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell for future notifications on my channel. Peace.